Hey guys, Kyle here. In today's video, we're going to be breaking down how to get a virtual mailbox. We want to start with a quick disclosure though first, and that's going to be covering the fact that we are affiliated with Bizee, the main service that we'll be discussing in today's video. If you use one of our referral links in our description, we may earn a very small commission at no extra cost to you. We appreciate your support and we believe in being transparent about this partnership. But with that out of the way, let's go ahead and talk about virtual mailboxes and how they can benefit your LLC. A virtual mailbox provides a professional business address where you can receive mail without using your personal home address. This basically allows you to look through your mail online from anywhere, which adds a ton of convenience to your business operations. Some of the reasons why your LLC might need one and how to set it up step by step using Bizee's service. A virtual mailbox is basically a service that provides your business with a real street address for receiving mail. Instead of going to your home or office, your business mail is sent to this secure location. When mail does arrive, the provider, like Bizee for example, goes ahead and scans the envelopes and letters and uploads them to a secure online portal. This means you can read and manage your mail remotely from your computer or even your cell phone. The virtual mailbox essentially turns your physical mail into digital files that you can access at any time. This is much different than a PO box because it provides an actual street address that you can use on official business documents. This gives your LLC a professional image while keeping your personal home address completely private. There are several big reasons why an LLC might need a virtual mailbox. When you form an LLC, you must provide a business address on official documents, and unfortunately, not everyone has a separate office location. Using a virtual mailbox gives you a reliable business address that you can list on your formation papers and your website and your marketing materials. This basically protects your privacy by not exposing your home address to clients or on any public records out there. A dedicated business address also makes your LLC appear much more professional, especially if a home address would look unprofessional to customers. Now, for entrepreneurs who travel much more frequently, or even entrepreneurs who work from home, a virtual mailbox ensures that you never miss important mail because you can check it online at any time. In short, it basically offers much more convenience, consistency, and credibility for your small business without the expense of a physical office. Using your personal home address for business can pose a couple of risks. One major concern is privacy, because your home address could end up on public forums or even public records and online directories, specifically when you register your LLC. This could lead to unsolicited mail, marketing spam, or even unwanted visitors showing up at your door. It also blurs the line between your personal and your professional life, since business contacts would have your home information. Now, in some cases, having a home address on business materials looks much less professional and might not inspire confidence from potential clients. There's also, of course, safety concerns when your home address is public information, because this means that customers or even strangers could know where you live. That's why it's so incredibly important to get a virtual mailbox to take care of your privacy concerns in the first place. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys now step by step how to get started with your very own virtual address as was a virtual mailbox for your business. The first thing you're going to want to do is head down to the link down in the description and click it for Bizee. Once you click that link, you should be brought to this page right here. As you can see right here, it's super easy to get started with Bizee's virtual address service. We simply select what state we're going to be incorporating in, hit the get started button, and basically just go about filling out our personal info, first name, last name, email address, as well as a mobile phone number, our contact information for our address, like our street address, our city, state, and zip code, and then of course our company info, whether we're an LLC, a corporation, or a nonprofit, and then also the state of formation, state of service, and the date of formation. Once you have all that information filled out, this whole entire service is only going to be $29 per month, which is pretty affordable. There, of course, are other options out there that do cost a similar amount, but in my opinion, I think this is probably one of the best ways to get started with a virtual business mailbox. If you guys have questions about getting started with this service, make sure to comment them down in the comment section. Also, please remember that the links down in the description are affiliate links and we could financially benefit from them at no extra cost to you. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I can't wait to see you guys in any of our future videos. Make sure to hit that like button and hit that subscribe button so you never miss any of our future videos. Other than that though, I'll see you guys in the next one.